Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up higher yesterday, higher across the board again this morning. We did get some export sales announced this morning. Got news that China bought 120,000 metric tons of soybeans for 2014-2015 deliveries. So China, a big buyer of soybeans, so they are continuing to buy for next year's crop. Also have September options expiring today, so could see a little bit of fireworks based on that towards the end of the day. Also, if you do have a September option that's in the money, make sure that you know that that's going to be, if it is in the money come expiration today, it'll be assigned or given a futures position. So make sure you are aware of that. We also had the last day of the Pro Farmer Crop Tour yesterday. The corn yield count and bean pod count in Iowa was higher than last year. And over in Minnesota, the corn yield was lower than last year, but the bean pod count was higher than last year. And for those of you that aren't familiar when I say bean pod count, what does that mean? It's based on a 9 by 9 square foot area out in the field, how many pods are there. So that's what I mean when I've been saying bean pod count these last 3 or 4 days. So other than that, not a whole lot of news out there. Weather remains a non-issue for most areas of the Midwest right now. Adequate soil moisture, some adequate rains as well. So as of right now, not an issue. There's, again, as we touched on yesterday, not a frost threat right now as well either. We'll definitely let you know if that changes because that could spur some rallying in the market. But as of right now, weather is a non-issue. So that's all we've got for this week. Thanks. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research market commentary and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.